What's up, you guys? Shinjini, welcome to the blog. It's 9 o'clock, it's Sunday, 11th of July. I woke up quite early today and got ready for the day. I just opened my laptop since I need it for each and everything I do. I had my breakfast with the Herbalife vanilla shake, which is very healthy and generally the only thing I have for breakfast. So, going back to studies, I have my semesters knocking at the door, therefore, it's time to pull up my socks. Since it's Sunday, I have no university classes today, so thought of utilizing the time to complete my syllabus. I have made a to-do list yesterday night to get an overall understanding what all to cover today. So I have started first with my lifespan portion. It's 9:30, just half an hour passed with me studying, planning to take a break at 10 o'clock. I started with watching some videos on my topic I was studying to get a clear picture. It's 10 o'clock already, thought of taking a break and to watch something on Prime. Also trying to finish my mandala patterns which were left the last day. In between, I finished my leftover vanilla shake. It's 10:45 am and I had to complete my Japanese language homework in between my studies.
I think about your
It's already 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and there is one thing still left to cover according to my to-do list. I started studying the neurocognitive disorders from the ICD-11, which is the International Classification of Diseases, mainly for the mental and behavioral disorders section. It's already 1 o'clock and it's time to wind up. This was my first vlog, so vlogging is a tough task like getting correct angles and shooting while you're working. So if you guys want more such vlogs, please let me know in the comment section below and do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye guys, see you in my next video.